Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Tommy. Welcome to the 2000 Core French Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is allergie. Allergy. Allergie. 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 Allergie au pollen. Allergy to pollen. Allergie au pollen. Carte d'embarquement. Boarding pass. Carte d'embarquement. Carte d'embarquement. Boarding pass. Carte d'embarquement pour le vol. Boarding pass for the flight. Carte d'embarquement pour le vol. Éducation. Education. Éducation. Éducation. Education. Éducation et formation. Education and training. Éducation et formation. Anglais. English. Anglais. Anglais. English. Monsieur Suzuki enseigne l'anglais. Mr. Suzuki teaches English. Monsieur Suzuki enseigne l'anglais. Droit. Law. Droit. Droit. Law. Étudier le droit. Study law. Étudier le droit. Flûte. 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 Flûte en argent. Silver flute. Flûte en argent. Service informatique. IT department. Service informatique. Service informatique. IT department. Appelle le service informatique. Call the IT department. Appelle le service informatique. Voyage d'affaires. Business trip. Voyage d'affaires. Voyage d'affaires. Business trip. Partir en voyage d'affaires. Go on a business trip. Partir en voyage d'affaires. Marketing. 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 Service marketing. Marketing department. Service marketing. Populaire. Popular. Populaire. Populaire. Popular. Homme populaire. Popular man. Homme populaire. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word, phrase in English. Respond in French. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say allergie? Allergie. allergie. And how to say boarding pass. Carte d'embarquement. Carte d'embarquement. What about education? Éducation. Éducation. Do you remember how to say English? Anglais. Anglais. Let's try law. Droit. Droit. What about flute? Flute. Flute. Now, let's see if you remember how to say IT department. Service informatique. Service informatique. Another one. What about business trip? Voyage d'affaires. Voyage d'affaires. Do you remember how to say marketing? Marketing. Marketing. And finally, do you remember how to say popular? Populaire. Populaire. Well done. See you next time. Au revoir.
In this video, you learned 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody, my name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you've learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hello. Quand je rencontre une personne, je dis bonjour. When I meet someone, I say hello. Quand je rencontre une personne, je dis bonjour. Bon après-midi. Have a nice afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Have a nice afternoon. Bon après-midi, mademoiselle. Have a nice afternoon, miss. Bon après-midi, mademoiselle. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir, bienvenue. Good evening, welcome. Bonsoir, bienvenue. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit, mon ami. Good night, my friend. Bonne nuit, mon ami. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous rencontrer, monsieur. Nice to meet you, sir. Enchanté de vous rencontrer, monsieur. Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Ça fait longtemps. Comment vas-tu? It's been a long time. How are you? Ça fait longtemps. Comment vas-tu? Oui. Yes. Oui. Oui. Yes. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Yes, please. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Non. No. Non. 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 Non, merci. No, thanks. Non, merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci beaucoup pour l'invitation. Thank you very much for the invitation. Merci beaucoup pour l'invitation. Je m'appelle. I'm. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. I'm. Je m'appelle John. I'm John. Je m'appelle John. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir, à bientôt. Goodbye, see you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt. Mauvais. Bad. Mauvais. Mauvais. Bad. C'est un mauvais garçon. He is a bad boy. C'est un mauvais garçon. Bon. Good. Bon. Bon. Good. Les légumes sont bons pour vous. Vegetables are good for you. Les légumes sont bons pour vous. Belle. Beautiful. Belle. Belle. Beautiful. Très beau. Very beautiful. Très beau. Laid. Ugly. Laid. Laid. Ugly. Visage laid. Ugly face. Visage laid. Facile. Easy. Facile. Facile. Easy. Ce problème est facile. This problem is easy. Ce problème est facile. Difficile. Difficult. Difficile. difficile, difficult, très difficile, very difficult, très difficile, près de, near, près de, près de, near. Je vis près de l'université. I live near the university. Je vis près de l'université. Loin. Far. Loin. Loin. Far. La gare est loin d'ici. The station is far from here. La gare est loin d'ici. Petit. Small. Petit. Petit. Small. Ce pull est trop petit. This sweater is too small. Ce pull est trop petit. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in French. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources at FrenchPod101.com. See you next time! Au revoir!
Can learning a new language help you make money? In this video, you'll learn 3 ways that learning a language can help increase your income. So, if you know a language other than your native language, does it help you earn more money? Learning a new language provides a wide range of benefits, including personal growth, higher cognitive function, better resistance to age-related deterioration, and the opportunity to meet exciting new people from all over the world. But that's not all. It's possible that learning a foreign language can help you to earn more money throughout your life. Studies have shown that someone making $30,000 annually could boost their salary by at least $600 per year through applying their knowledge of another language. Over the course of a lifetime, that could add up to a significant contribution to your retirement savings or overall earnings. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get free language learning courses and tools that you can use for your studies, with the aim of boosting your income. One day, the extra money could possibly help you buy a new Ferrari, vacation home, or save more money for retirement. But first, let's look at a few ways you can make money with a second language. The first method is by exploring bilingual or multilingual job opportunities. With the rise of multinational corporations doing business all around the globe, the need for bilingual or even multilingual employees has never been higher. Therefore, knowing a second language can be extremely valuable. Having a second language as part of your skill set could help you make significantly more money than if you're fluent in just one language. So, in a very real way, learning a language online, even for free, can alter your career and earnings trajectory for the better, and it can help put you on the path towards the lifestyle you want. The second method is by exploring work you can do from home in your second language. It's possible to use your knowledge of a second language to work from home. There are many websites that have hundreds of paying translation jobs at any given time. Although the pay may vary significantly between jobs, and you probably won't actually become rich from such work, translation jobs can boost your salary and improve your lifestyle. And translation jobs aren't the only way to make money online from home. There are actually a wide range of opportunities out there for people to boost their income using their knowledge of a second language. These include copywriting, administrative work, and even multilingual IT jobs. The third method is by working overseas. If you love adventure or want to travel the world, you can put your language knowledge to use by taking advantage of bilingual or multilingual opportunities overseas. Put what you've learned to work in the real world. Combine your second language skills with the other skills you have and offer something special to employers. To start, think about a country where you might like to live someday, and begin your language studies with the language spoken in that country. With diligent work, you can master a language and secure a position with an overseas company. These are just a few of the ways you can put your knowledge of another language to use and make some extra money with your skills. Over time, this added income can make a huge difference in your life. Our language learning program provides a number of free language learning tools and resources as part of our free lifetime account. You can use these to get started with your language learning and begin working toward boosting your income throughout your life. So, if you're ready to finally learn a new language the fast, fun, and easy way, sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Signing up takes less than 30 seconds, and you'll start speaking from your very first lesson. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody, my name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you learn the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning your language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Today is sunny. Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Hier. Yesterday. Hier. Hier. Yesterday. Venir hier. Come yesterday. Venir hier. Demain. Tomorrow. Demain. Demain. Tomorrow. À demain. See you tomorrow. À demain. Semaine. Week. Semaine. Semaine. Week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Année. Year. Année. Année. Year. Année prochaine. Next year. Année prochaine. Année prochaine. Seconde. Second. Seconde. Seconde. Second. Juste une seconde. Just a second. Juste une seconde. Minute. 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 Il y a 60 secondes dans une minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Il y a 60 secondes dans une minute. Heure. Hour. Heure. Heure. Hour. Je dors 8 heures par jour. I sleep for 8 hours every day. Je dors 8 heures par jour. Pendule. Clock. Pendule. Pendule. Clock. La pendule affiche midi moins 8. The clock reads 8 minutes to 12. La pendule affiche midi moins 8. Heure. O'clock. Heure. Heure. O'clock. Rendez-vous à la gare à 9 heures. Let's meet at the station at 9 o'clock. Rendez-vous à la gare à 9 heures. Calendrier. Calendar. Calendrier. Calendrier. Calendar. J'ai noté notre anniversaire dans le calendrier. I marked our anniversary on the calendar. J'ai noté notre anniversaire dans le calendrier. Lundi. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Monday. La semaine de travail commence lundi. The work week starts on Monday. La semaine de travail commence lundi. Mardi. Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. Tuesday. Mardi 1er janvier. Tuesday, January 1st. Mardi 1er janvier. Mercredi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. Wednesday. Le mercredi 18. Wednesday the 18th. Le mercredi 18. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi 3 janvier. Thursday, January 3rd. Jeudi 3 janvier. Vendredi. Friday. Vendredi. Vendredi. Friday. La semaine de travail se termine le vendredi. The work week ends on Friday. La semaine de travail se termine le vendredi. Samedi. Saturday. Samedi. Samedi. Saturday. Pas de projet pour samedi. No plan for Saturday. Pas de projet pour samedi. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Sunday. Petit déjeuner du dimanche. Sunday morning breakfast. Petit déjeuner du dimanche. Faire. Do. Faire. Faire. Do. J'ai tellement de choses à faire. I have so much work to do. J'ai tellement de choses à faire. Allez. Go. Allez. Allez. Go. Aller au magasin. Go to the store. Aller au magasin. Remember, the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in French. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources at FrenchPod101.com. See you next time! Au revoir! In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody, my name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lesson at the end. So after you learn the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is pouvoir. Can. Pouvoir. Pouvoir. Can. Pouvoir sauter au-dessus. Can jump over. Pouvoir sauter au-dessus. Zéro. Zero. Zéro. Zéro. Zero. Numéro zéro. Number zero. Numéro zéro. Un. One. Un. Un. One. Un de cela, s'il vous plaît. One of that, please. Un de cela, s'il vous plaît. Deux. Two. Deux. Deux. Two. 2 semaines. 2 weeks long. 2 semaines. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. Il est 3 heures pile maintenant. It is 3 o'clock now. Il est 3 heures pile maintenant. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4 degrés. 4 degrees. 4 degrés. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5 pommes. 5 apples. 5 pommes. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6 choses. 6 things. 6 choses. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Une semaine a 7 jours. 1 week has 7 days. Une semaine a 7 jours. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8 fois. 8 times. 8 fois. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9 étages. 9 floors. 9 étages. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. Cet immeuble a 10 étages. This building has 10 floors. Cet immeuble a 10 étages. Vendeur. Salesman. Vendeur. Vendeur. Salesman. Vendeur de voitures. Car salesman. Vendeur de voitures. Gérant. Manager. Gérant. Gérant. Manager. Le gérant de l'usine donne des instructions. The factory manager is giving instructions. Le gérant de l'usine donne des instructions. Cuisinier. Cook. Cuisinier. Cuisinier. Cook. Elle est cuisinière dans un restaurant 4 étoiles. She is a cook at a 4-star restaurant. Elle est cuisinière dans un restaurant 4 étoiles. Ingénieur. Engineer. Ingénieur. Ingénieur. Engineer. Je suis ingénieur. I am an engineer. Je suis ingénieur. Programmeur. Programmer. Programmeur. Programmeur. Programmer. Je suis programmeur. I am a programmer. Je suis programmeur. Infirmière. Nurse. Infirmière. Infirmière. Nurse. La femme est infirmière. The woman is a nurse. La femme est infirmière. Corps. Body. Corps. Corps. Body. Corps humain. Human body. Corps humain. Tête. Head. Tête. Tête. Head. Tête et cou. Head and neck. Tête et cou. Remember, The goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in French. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources at FrenchPod101.com. See you next time! Au revoir!
Today, traditional classrooms are no longer the only or even best place to learn a new language. More and more people are finding that they can easily learn a language just about anywhere they have a few minutes of spare time, including their daily commute to work. According to the US Census Bureau, the average American spends over 50 minutes a day commuting to and from work, or over 300 hours a year. But rather than simply sitting in traffic and wasting the time, you can instead use your daily commute to literally learn a new language in just a few short months. Our language learning program has specialized learning tools that you can use on your commute to and from the office to master a language in your spare time. What are some reasons traditional classroom settings just aren't the best option for most people in today's fast-paced world? Difficulty getting to and from class. Learning on someone else's schedule. Very expensive and may cost thousands of dollars to complete. Can take years to finally complete classes and learn the language. The simple truth is that traditional classroom instruction is simply not a viable option for most people in today's very fast-paced, time-starved world. Now, let's examine how you can learn a language faster, more easily, and at far less expense than traditional classes, all during your commute to work and back home again. 3 reasons your daily commute can help you master a language in the next year. On average, Americans spend more than 300 hours per year commuting. During the commute to and from work, over 6 hours a week is completely wasted. The time isn't used to help you reach any goals or objectives. But thanks to online language learning platforms with audiobooks and other resources that you can access during your commute, you can easily transform wasted time into progress toward learning a new language. With over 300 hours available annually, your daily commute could provide you with enough time to gain significant skills in a new language each and every year. Increase your earning potential while commuting to work. How would you like to transform all those spare commuting hours each week into more money for a new car, house, or even a dream vacation? According to research, someone making $30,000 per year can boost their annual income by $600 or more per year by learning a second language. Over the course of a lifetime, that's a significant amount. How? From work-at-home translation jobs to working overseas, there are many ways to leverage your second language into more money in your bank account. So instead of wasting your precious time, you can make your commute more productive and eventually profitable. The more languages you learn, the higher your income potential. Repetition is key to mastering a new language. Not sure if it's practical to learn another language while commuting to and from work each day? Well, not only is it possible, learning in your car on the way to and from work each day can actually help you learn and master any language quickly. The simple truth is that repetition is absolutely vital to truly internalizing and mastering any language. So, if you listen to audiobooks or even audio lessons on your commute to work, and then repeat the same lesson on your commute home, the information is more likely to be locked into your long-term memory. Our language learning program has been helping people learn and master language in the comfort of their home, during their daily commute, or any place they have a few spare minutes of time. Here are 5 features of our program that make it easy to learn a new language while commuting to and from work. First, the largest collection of audio lessons on the planet by native speaker instructors. Every single week, native speaker instructors create new audio lessons. All lessons are short, to the point, and guaranteed to improve your mastery of a language. Second, the word of the day. Simply exposing yourself to new information and vocabulary terms helps increase your fluency and mastery of your target language. So every single day, check out the word of the day and memorize it during your commute. It's a quick and easy way to boost your vocabulary every day. Third, daily dose mini lessons. Have a short commute to work but still want to make progress towards learning more than just vocabulary? Not a problem. Our daily dose mini lessons are 1 minute or less and are designed to improve your grammar, conversations, and pronunciation. Fourth, all content is available on a convenient mobile app. You don't need a PC or tablet to learn during your daily commute. Instead, all of our lessons, tools, and resources are available 24/7 via our mobile app. That means you can access all of our audio lessons and other tools during your commute to work or anytime you have a few spare minutes. Fifth, audiobooks and other supplemental resources. In addition to the world's largest online collection of HD audio lessons, our language learning program has audiobooks to enhance your understanding and make it more convenient than ever to learn a language during your commute. The average commute time of most Americans is over 300 hours each year, and it's the perfect opportunity to learn and master a new language. Use the dead time during your daily commute to learn a new language and potentially boost your lifetime earnings. Whatever your motivation, our language learning program has the tools and resources necessary to help you learn a new language each year during your commute to and from work. So, if you're ready to finally learn a new language the fast, fun, and easy way, sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Signing up takes less than 30 seconds, and you'll start speaking from your very first lesson. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!
In this video, you learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody, my name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist, because each new lesson in the series will include the previous lessons at the end. So after you learn the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is main, hand. Main, main. Hand. L'enfant lève la main. The child is raising his hand. L'enfant lève sa main. Bras. Arm. Bras. Bras. Arm. Deux bras. Two arms. Deux bras. Pied. Foot. Pied. Pied. Foot. Un pied a 5 orteils. A foot has 5 toes. Un pied a 5 orteils. Jambe. Leg. Jambe. Jambe. Leg. Jambe cassée. Broken leg. Jambe cassée. Doigt. Finger. Doigt. Doigt. Finger. Mon doigt saigne. My finger's bleeding. Mon doigt saigne. Dos. Back. Dos. Dos. Back. Mon dos me fait mal. My back hurts. Mon dos me fait mal. Estomac. Stomach. Estomac. Estomac. Stomach. Vous pouvez empêcher les problèmes d'estomac grâce à un régime équilibré. You can prevent stomach problems with a healthy diet. Vous pouvez empêcher les problèmes d'estomac grâce à un régime équilibré. Poitrine. chest, poitrine, poitrine, chest. J'ai une douleur à la poitrine. I have chest pains. J'ai une douleur à la poitrine. Janvier. January. Janvier. Janvier. January. Il fait très froid ici en janvier. It's very cold here in January. Il fait très froid ici en janvier. Février. February. Février. Février. February. Le jour de l'année que l'on saute est le 29 février. Leap Year Day is February 29th. Le jour de l'année que l'on saute est le 29 février. Mars. March. Mars. Mars. March. Maintenant, c'est avril, donc le mois dernier, c'était mars. It is now April, so last month was March. Maintenant, c'est avril, donc le mois dernier, c'était mars. Avril. April. Avril. Avril. April. Le 1er avril. April 1st. Le 1er avril. Mai. May. Mai. Mai. May. Fleur de mai. Mayflowers. Fleur de mai. Juin. June. Juin. Juin. June. Mariage en juin. June wedding. Mariage en juin. Juillet. July. Juillet. Juillet. July. Mois de juillet. Month of July. Mois de juillet. Août. August. Août. Août. August. L'école est fermée en août. The school is closed in August. L'école est fermée en août. Septembre. September. Septembre. Septembre. September. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi 10 septembre. Today is Saturday, September 10th. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi 10 septembre. Octobre. October. Octobre. Octobre. October. Halloween tombe le 31 octobre. Halloween falls on October 31st. Halloween tombe le 31 octobre. Novembre. November. Novembre. Novembre. November. Novembre est un des 4 mois qui comptent 30 jours. November is one of the 4 months with 30 days. Novembre est un des 4 mois qui compte 30 jours. Décembre. December. Décembre. Décembre. December. Vendredi 8 décembre. Friday, December 8th. Vendredi 8 décembre. Remember that the goal of this series is to build a vocabulary of the 800 most common words and phrases in French. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we can help you. Click the link in the description to access the full list. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources at FrenchPod101.com. See you next time! Au revoir!
Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Pour terminer, pourquoi pensez-vous être la personne parfaite pour ce poste de gérant? Je suis responsable, j'aime travailler, j'aime les gens et je cherche toujours de nouveaux défis.
Très bien, merci. Veuillez attendre quelques minutes, s'il vous plaît.
Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de Jacques?
J'adore ses réponses originales à nos questions difficiles. Il semble être la bonne personne, surtout pour notre magasin du centre-ville.
Je suis d'accord avec vous. Alors, on le prend?
Oui, demandez-lui s'il peut commencer demain.
Jacques, nous avons de bonnes nouvelles pour vous. Vous avez l'emploi. Vous pouvez commencer demain à 8h pile? Si je peux commencer demain? Bien sûr. Je vais être à l'heure, évidemment. Merci et à demain.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Terminé.
To end.
Terminé. Terminé. Poste.
Position.
Poste. Poste. Gérant.
Manager.
Gérant. Gérant. Défi.
Challenge.
Défi. Défi. Veuillez.
Please.
Veuillez. Veuillez. Surtout.
Especially.
Surtout. Surtout. Nouvelle.
News.
Nouvelle. Nouvelle. Commencer.
To start. To begin.
Commencer. Commencer. À l'heure.
On time.
À l'heure. À l'heure. Évidemment.
Obviously.
Évidemment. Évidemment.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Pour terminer, pourquoi pensez-vous être la personne parfaite pour ce poste de gérant? Je suis responsable, j'aime travailler, j'aime les gens et je cherche toujours de nouveaux défis.
Très bien, merci. Veuillez attendre quelques minutes, s'il vous plaît.
Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de Jacques?
J'adore ses réponses originales à nos questions difficiles. Il semble être la bonne personne, surtout pour notre magasin du centre-ville.
Je suis d'accord avec vous. Alors, on le prend?
Oui, demandez-lui s'il peut commencer demain.
Jacques, nous avons de bonnes nouvelles pour vous. Vous avez l'emploi. Vous pouvez commencer demain à 8h pile? Si je peux commencer demain? Bien sûr. Je vais être à l'heure, évidemment. Merci et à demain.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.